Hi guys, welcome back to another taste test video. So today I decided to get the Wawa quesadilla for dinner. This is what it looks like. I got the Wawa buffalo chicken steak quesadilla, tortilla, pepper jack cheese, cheese 2, cheddar cheese, cheese 2, chicken steak 2, buffalo sauce, toast C1, and 2 diagonal cuts. This is what it looks like. I have chips, but it's in my backpack. It cuts in 3, but I already split it up. It's very messy, so here goes nothing, you guys. This is what it looks like. Look, all those pieces are coming off here. Ew, that's dirty. It's gross. Sanitary. So this is what it looks like. Try to make sure it won't drip. It has buffalo chicken. It has chicken steak. Has cheese. I think it has pepper jack cheese and cheddar. That's what the recommended cheese now. So here comes the big bite. Very spicy. If you guys like spicy, I would recommend to get this. But they have different varieties. It has, I think it has like beef quesadilla. And they have like different varieties of quesadillas. They have like, it has like beef. They have a beef one. They have veggie one, I think. I like that it's not like overcooked or anything. And the tortilla is perfect. I'll give this a 10 out of 10 because I like the spice concept of it. The sauce I would recommend to get is ranch or blue cheese. But I don't like ranch, so I just eat it like it is. And it's messy. Are you guys excited for summer to come? I am, but I'll be working all summer probably. I'm so sorry, you guys, for the lack of videos. My apologies. I've just been crazy busy with work and everything and spending time with family. So I decided to make it up to you guys by doing a taste test video. I know you guys love my taste test videos. And see, look at my nails, you guys. I got like a neon yellow kind of, if you look at it. It looks like neon. It looks neon greenish, but it's not. It's like yellow. I wanted something that would pop. So, sorry if my hands look gross right now. They have buffalo sauce on it. Like how Are you guys excited for school to be over? I'm not in school anymore, but I would be excited to get out of school for the summertime. I apologize if you guys hear, like, if you guys hear, like, music in the background. We have the radio blasting right now. They put a lot of buffalo sauce out of here. So yeah, that is my taste test video for you guys. Again, please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done that already, so you can join the Trey Fanatics family. Excuse me. I'm going to make a quick little introduction for you guys. Hi guys, my name's Amanda Trey. I do taste test videos, eat with me's. I do vlogs, I do hauls, I do all of it. So please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done that already. And please give my channel some love. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little hoarse, you guys. I've been dealing with allergies right now because the pollen's been very high here lately. And I decided to film outside today because it's a beautiful summery day. So yeah, happy Memorial Day, you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.